Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to limit or allow specific product to buy once in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to limit the purchase of specific or one product per one user in WooCommerce WordPress, and user can add other product many times but specific product one time, and user cannot update that product in cart page also. Only one time user can add. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see php snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. So you can add your product ID here. Now you see 5180, so this is our product ID 5180. We added this ID in custom code. Now you see, now go to shop, so this is our product, so click on it, and then you see you can only purchase one of this product, so you can customize this message according to requirement. So we are going to limit purchase of specific product one time per user, so user cannot increase the quantity of that specific product, and also we are going to restrict in cart quantity, so user cannot update in cart also. Now you see we added our product ID in this function also. Now you see 5180, also you see 5180, so you can add your product ID, and also you see message, so you can customize both messages according to requirement. So we are going to limit the purchase of specific product to 1. Now you see if the quantity is greater than 1, set it back to 1. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now increase quantity, and then click on add to cart. Now you see you can only purchase one of this product, so click on view cart to check. So in cart page you see one quantity added. Now increase, and then click on update cart. Again you see message cart updated, but you can only purchase one of this product back to one quantity, so you can add other product with many quantity, but this product only one time per one user. Now you see quantity 1. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.